In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Cash App to Wise step by step. The process is simple and works by transferring money from Cash App to your bank account first, then adding those funds to Wise. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open Cash App on your phone and tap on your balance. Next, tap Cash Out and choose the amount of money you want to transfer to your bank account. After selecting the amount, choose either standard or instant transfer. Standard transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, while instant transfers arrive within minutes but may include a small fee. Confirm the transfer using your PIN or fingerprint. Once the money arrives in your bank account, open the Wise app. Tap on Add Money and select the currency you want to add funds to. Next, choose your payment method, such as bank transfer or debit card, and enter the amount you want to deposit into Wise. Confirm the transaction, and the funds will be added to your Wise account. After that, you can use Wise to send money internationally, exchange currencies, or transfer funds to bank accounts around the world. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.